As we're slowly coming out of winter, garages are shifting gears from emergency winter repairs to spring maintenance. That shift shows immediately in demand, an increase in air conditioning service components, windshield wipers, suspension parts, and much more. However, this spike is not driven by the weather. It's a predictable seasonal transition, one that could put significant pressure on warehouse efficiency and delivery speed. But with Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management, we are ready. Even more, weeks earlier, we already planned to maximize this moment as we defined our 2026 Spring Readiness Promotion. The planned promotion was seamlessly integrated into Dynamics 365 Demand Planning, along with historical sales performance, channel insights, and inflation data, to deliver a more accurate and forward-looking view of future demand. This allowed both our planners and pricing managers to see how the proposed discount would influence sales revenue, volumes, and downstream supply chain impact before the promotion went live. Altogether, the system provided accurate demand forecasts across warehouse, channels, and customer segments, revealing how the promotion would affect demand and overall performance. These types of insights also allowed us to optimize the location of fast-moving spring SKUs within the warehouse. If you consider that our largest warehouse spans 350,000 square feet, it's easy to imagine that where items sit in the warehouse is almost as important as whether they are in stock. This is where intelligent inventory on-hand balancing comes in. Using the AI-driven demand forecast, the system automatically generates warehouse work orders that instruct teams to move the right volumes of seasonal items into optimal picking locations before the demand peaks. As orders start flowing in, inventory is not just available, it's already positioned for speed. And that speed? It's accelerated even more with advanced warehouse picking route optimization. It intelligently groups and sequences orders so that walking time and congestion during picking is completely minimized. At this scale, with thousands of order lines per day, that really matters. Saving seconds on each pick quickly compounds, and that translates into real business impact. Orders delivered faster and customer expectations exceeded. As warehouse operations run at scale, the next challenge is ensuring B2B customers can order just as efficiently. Buyers interacting with us are often responsible for purchasing across multiple garages and delivery locations. Yet, they expect ordering to feel simple and predictable. With B2B multi-outlet commerce, they can sign in once and see all the organizations and locations they are authorized to buy for in a single, unified experience. Ordering becomes intuitive because it mirrors how buyers already think about their businesses and where the orders need to go. Pricing, catalogs, and eligibility automatically align to the selected account, and orders are created correctly from the start. When assistance is needed, the experience remains just as seamless. In the call center, employees can assist buyers instantly using the same organizational context. With the help of a custom-built intelligent agent deployed into teams, they can quickly identify the buyer, select the correct account, and even place compliant orders. These agentic experiences leverage the Commerce MCP server and use the same B2B multi-outlet model as we saw before. This ensures consistency across all channels while eliminating misattribution and manual account hunting. And this is just the start. Using Dynamics 365's MCP capabilities, organizations can now scale their businesses even further through intelligent agents that take away the complex and automate the mundane. As orders are flying out the door, Dynamics 365 Finance ensures everything stays transparent, compliant, and well controlled. Generating and submitting thousands of e-invoices daily in compliance with rapidly evolving local regulations across all countries where we operate can quickly become a small nightmare. The new unified e-invoicing integration framework changes that fundamentally. Now, through an easy configuration, we can simply enable the integration with one or more established e-invoicing providers of our choice. No complex customizations or extensive integration testing needed. In other words, e-invoices can now be automatically generated and routed according to local regulations without significant operational or compliance overhead. This is also true for e-invoice-based prepayments and the final settlements after delivery. In our case, that comes in extremely handy to deal with deposits for bulk seasonal orders. Altogether, these e-invoicing capabilities enable faster adoption to regulatory changes, easier expansion into new markets, and end-to-end compliance in electronic invoicing. Meanwhile, on the payable side, AI-powered invoice processing automates the intake and matching of supplier invoices to purchase orders. Invoice capture automatically identifies and classifies both header level as well as line level charges. Thanks to a side-by-side view of the invoice and the order, exceptions can be resolved faster, and continuous learning applies user corrections to future invoices. Together, these improvements increase touchless processing rates and reduce operational costs. Finally, with operational, commercial, and financial data connected, our finance leaders can gain early insight into business performance. The account reconciliation agent in Dynamics 365 Finance can now seamlessly reconcile inventory-related accounts. In a business like ours, with large amounts of inventory movements every single day, this is critical. The agent automatically matches what moved on inventory accounts with what was financially recorded and surfaces only the true exceptions that need attention. As a result, month-end close becomes faster and more predictable, and finance leaders can act with confidence while the business is still in motion. As winter turns to spring, these new capabilities demonstrate what it means to run a resilient, customer-centric, and data-driven operation with Dynamics 365. The result is simple and powerful. Vehicles stay on the road, garages stay productive, and our organization stays ahead.